guys, it's Grace. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a Plum paper planner haul for you guys, and I have been so excited for this planner. I ordered it 2 weeks ago and it shipped a week ago, and it just took a while, I think, because of the holidays, but it's finally here. This is the cover. I forgot what it's called. I just wanted something with like the Raspberyl colors going on them, which is the navy and the blush. I really love it already, but as you guys could see, I filled this thing up. Like, I maximized the extra sheets, or the extra number of sheets I can, because if you guys didn't know, Plum paper planners are very customizable, including the start date, the layouts, and even like the words you want on there. It's a little throwback. I want to show you guys my very first Plum paper planner. This was in 2015, and let's go back even further. I will show you why this planner means so much to me, and I'll just never get rid of it, because on September 1st 2015 was when I launched Raspberyl Designs. Everything I needed to do, making thank you sampler set, that was like a big deal to me, because it was a big thing. Like, I was crying that day. I made my first 20 sales that particular day, and my goal was to only like make $50 a week or something like that, and then it just grew to what it is today. So this is the cover material card. This is just pretty much like a sample of what the cover is made of, because it used to be just like this vinyl plastic and then like some cardstock printed, which was really pretty, but then over time it could like tear and actually not last. So I'm glad that they upgraded their covers, but this is just a sample. Like, I'm really going at it. It's almost like plastic. And then just a little card telling you what their planner is. Strong coil, quality paper. Okay, so for the planner, I have the 7x9. I had to make sure that I didn't order the 8.5x11, because that will be just too big for me, and none of my Erin Condren covers will fit, but this one I think is very pretty. Again, if I can find the name of this pattern, I will have it linked down below. Also, in the front right now, it used to be a little bit different, like a little frosted, but now it's just this really clear and thick laminate type, and then you get this like nice plastic cover, but you can't kind of detach it, which is fine. This is the inside lining, and then you just get the simple brand logo, Plum paper planner, and then this planner belongs to the usual, and then you get like an overview calendar for 2019 from January to December, and then for 2020. So this page right here is for your special dates, like for future planning and things like that, and then you kind of have like a blank page version of it. Up here it says ideas, plans, and goals, and same goes for that side over there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, because I wanna use this planner as my catch-all for everything, but most probably it's gonna be for the shop. And then it's just going to be like a blank page here, and it says notes in the bottom, and then your September completely starts on its own. These two doesn't really have to match, and I got the one in the neutral color because I just want it to be simple. So for this cover, it's just like another glossy cardstock. It's not as thick as the cover, but it's cardstock material, and then up here the tab is also reinforced with some lamination. And then on the cardstock itself, you have goals 1, 2, and 3, birthdays, events, things to remember, and extra notes pages. And then this is when your calendar actually starts. So with Plum paper planner, it's a Sunday start. I am a Monday start person, so we'll see if I change up the calendar or if I'll just leave it as is. It might not bother me too much. And this is your weekly layout. This is what they call the vertical priorities. This is a new to me layout. When I first saw it on the Instagram hashtags vertical priorities, I didn't know what it was until I figured it out. Oh, it's a Plum paper planner layout. So I was very curious about it. And so for any Plum paper planner, you can actually customize what the words go here. So I have priorities to do today. I left this part blank. You can even put something up here. On this side I put don't forget, and in the bottom right here I put socials, because my intention is to use this part for social media posting. So for Saturday and Sunday you don't get any of the headers, and I believe it fits me really well because I'm really trying not to work for the shop on Saturday and or Sunday, because I want to make that as family time or home time as much as possible. But if I do need anything, there's just a little bit of room or enough room there for me to write. And then it goes the same for every single month. But I just want to remind you guys, so when it comes to Plum Paper Planner, it will give you like, this is the end of September, right? So you have September 30 here and then October 1st right there. So when you go to the October 1st weekly view, you'll also have September 30 again. It repeats. I don't know why they're doing that, but it's been like that forever. It doesn't bother me. I could just not use this page and start here. It's totally up to you. So I have this planner for 12 months and it will end on August 2020. So I'm hoping to still see you guys here next year when I actually finish an entire planner. And then you get like a full entire month of August and then a little bit of September, maybe before your planner gets there. And then we've arrived to my notes pages. I maximized the heck out of the pages I could get. I didn't get any of those blog post or the finance ones, or you know, like all of those extra pre-made ones. A lot of these are like pretty much just note pages. So the first one is to do, and in the tab right here there's like a little clipboard, which is adorable. So for the to-do list, it's just page after page. I think I got 20 of just these like checklist, and if I need to do a video and then I can cross out which one I did or something like that, or if I'm trying to do a collection and I need something to like just check off, this is great. So the next one is a checklist, which you're gonna probably ask me, hey Grace, that already looks like a checklist. No, watch this. So this one is kind of like, let's say you're doing bill planning or bill pay, stuff like that, and if you need to track certain things all year long, this will be perfect for you. I'm gonna use this page to track when I buy supplies, certain things for the shop, especially if I need to track when an ink shipment's arriving or getting here, when I change the inks on my printer. It's pretty much just a gigantic habit tracker. So I think I got 10 pages of that. I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of the pages, but that's the purpose of that. And then we have the graph, which is pretty much self-explanatory. It's just a graphing paper. And I think I got either 30 or 40 pages. And then same thing goes with the dotted notes, which is pretty much the same. And then I just maximize how much paper I could add there, which was I think another 20 or 30. On the back page you have passwords, my contacts, another contact page, and then US holidays. And then for the final sheet, it's 2021 for maybe even future planning. And then in the back right here you have another pocket. It's a little bit different than what I remembered it to be, because it was just like something like this. Yeah, so now it's like even higher, which is great, especially if you have like bigger paper. And then in the back right here, it's just the same cover with another set of the laminate. And then so with that order, and then I picked up this notebook just to be like my catch-all kind of brain dump, something to go with this. I'll probably take this with me everywhere and then leave this at home, so that if I need to transfer any information here to my big planner, I always will just have this to go, you know what I mean? So, and this one is in the graphing paper style, graph pages, that's what it's called. But it's pretty much a journal. And then with the order, it came with 2 sticker sheets. This is new to me, like I didn't know that Plum Paper Planner has been doing stickers. These are a little bit more summer and travel themed. But yeah, that's it for my haul. Thank you so much for watching. I know I rambled too much. It's been a while since I filmed videos and like just like an overall haul. So anyways, if you have any questions regarding the vertical priorities layout, let me know in the comments down below. And also if you have sticker requests for Plum Paper Planner in general, leave them in the comments as well. And also subscribe if you haven't. And if you're already subscribed to the channel, don't forget to like this video. It does help every single creator because it tells YouTube that you like watching our videos, and YouTube will keep showing it to you because, you know, algorithm's weird and all that. But yes, subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload. And I hope you guys had a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!